Japanese warm-up. Alright, so this is my warm-up. So is there anyone here who's first time in Teppanyaki? First time?
Yep.
Oh. First, how about you, ma'am and sir? No. First time? How about first time? First time. Okay, how about you, sir? I'm gonna come right. Alright, so we have first timers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, now I will show you my Japanese warm-up. I just learned this one from YouTube last night. Please don't close your eyes and please watch your heads. Okay, now Japanese warm-up. Hey. Okay, now my Japanese magnet. Whoops. Okay, a little bit rolling. Hey, Japanese kumu. Okay. Hey, hey. Sexy lady. Okay. Hey. Thank you so much. Egg roll. Okay. Rolling. Rolling. Rolling on the griller. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 7, 11, 7. Oh, Japanese windmill. Oh, higher. Thank you so much. Lovely. Alright, I love the energy. Okay. Now my egg here is ready. This is my Japanese egg burrito. Ooh. Okay, we're halfway there. And one more time. Alright. So here we go. This is our tamagoyaki. Okay, in Japanese we call this tamagoyaki. But here in Teppanyaki we call this one ana. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's my anaconda. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see you in your eyes. I can see, oh my God. Oh, I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I believe I can fly with a smoke. I believe I can eat some rice. Okay. Smoky flavor to the rice, which is a secret to a very, very good and very yummy rice.